please find space.
Focus on clean posture. Mabo, mabo. Gombo, gombo. Ja.
Relax. 马步走。
Upper body straight. Knees outside same line. The lower leg stays straight.
1、2、3、
Aufrecht.
4、
Runter.
5、
Mabo.
6、
Knie raus.
8、9、10、2、
Straight. Upper body.
4、
Hip in.
5、
Ja.
6、
Knee outside.
7、8、9、10。
Tiefer runter.
同步换。1、2、3、4、
Without hands.
5、
Hände weg.
6、7、8、
Hände weg.
9、10、
Ja.
2、
Straight.
3、4、
Knie strecken.
5、6、7、8、9、10。换。
Change. Hände weg. Go.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、
Do not overstep. The lower leg stays straight.
5、6、7、8、9、10。后部换。 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。换。 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。马步。 1、2、
Kannst du vielleicht dich hier hinstellen? Du bist sonst genau zentral drinnen.
7、8、
Danke.
9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。同步换。
Lower.
2、
Hip and knee same high.
4、5、6、
Strecken, Rico hinten.
8、
Oberkörper höher.
10、2、
Höher.
2、
Oberkörper rauf.
4、5、6、
Straight. Push.
8、9、10。换。
Go. Hände weg.
1、2、
Push.
3、4、
Ah ja.
5、6、7、8、9、
Ferse runterdrücken.
10。
Push.
2、
Hände
3、
weg.
4、5、6、7、8、9、10。后部换。 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。 2、
Relax in Popo posture.
3、4、5、6、7、8、
Das Knie raus.
9、10。
Hüfte öffnen. Ja.
换
Open the hip, relax the posture. Knee straight.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。马步
Upper body straight.
，slowly stand up。
Oh, thank you. Okay, today we're doing the 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸𝐞𝐫𝐲. 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸𝐞𝐫𝐲, the basic posture for man is the right hand first, the left hand on top. For female is the opposite, the left hand first, the right hand on top. The 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 focuses on stretching, stretching very important, and posture. We want to focus on this stretching, it's very important, okay? We will try during this 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 that you try to move always as much as possible. When you turn outside, you try to turn outside as much as possible, okay? It's very important. 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 is a very hard type of Qigong. The history was to make the 𝐷𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐶𝐸 to make the soldiers stronger, okay? So you should try to relax and breathe, but try to do the posture as strong as possible. There's always a part of each movement that is strong, while the other part is as relaxed as possible, okay? So we focus on this now. Übrig. So. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, relax the shoulders and the finger look forward and push outside. Hold, relax the shoulders, push and the fingers look forward. Finger zeigen nach vorne, fest nach außen drücken, Schultern runter. Thomas, Hände höher, Schultern runter, yes. Schultern relax. Shoulder easy. You feel when we do this, the shoulders, the hands same high as shoulder, then the shoulder open is doing stretching. When you try to relax the shoulder, if you make the shoulder higher, it gets short. You make the shoulder long, and keep the posture with the fingers forward, and you feel the stretching in the hand wrist. Very important. Maybe now becoming hot, try to breathe as slow and easy as possible. Höher die Hände. Schulter hoch, ja. Schultern runter, genau. Breathe slowly, feel stretching. Okay, turn the hands. Keep the shoulders stretched. Do not put the shoulders up. And now push the shoulders to the ground. And same time, go up with the hands. Push the hip inside, okay? The push hip inside, very important. Do not push out, push in, yeah? And the fingers push to the ground again, yeah? Finger push low. Not overstretching, keep straight arm. Push here, hip in, upper body straight. Same here. Push here. Keep in, upper body straight, hip inside. Push strong, yeah? Stretching, hold it. Will become hot, Straight, strecken. Yeah. Straight, yeah. Push, yeah. Yeah, long. Yes. The upper part here, you make long. You try to go higher. Yes, Finger nach außen. Yes, finger outside. Yeah. Push strong, yeah. Shoulder, relax shoulder, up. Yes, okay. Finger nach außen, gerade, drücken, Spannung, ja, ja. Okay. Keep holding, keep holding. Ja, outside, ja, ja.
Schwer.
Push, ja, straight. Hip hinein, Hüfte rein. Ja, ja, genau. Ja. Fest die Spannung halten. Maybe now become really hot, you know. If you have a block, you feel like fire, okay? If no block, it just become hot and comfortable. Relax the breathing, Rico Finger runter. Relax the breathing, same time. Push, da ist keine Spannung. Push, 𝐸𝐲. And so, relax, easy. Everybody really hard, you know. In Wudang Shan, we keep hands up in 𝐸𝐞𝐞𝐤 posture for 1 hour, no problem. You know. Maybe shoulder too hard, you know. That's why now we're doing the stretching. So breathe in, relax. Breathe outside, push down. And again, 𝐸𝐲. 𝐸𝐲. 𝐸𝐲, change, relax, breathe in, breathe out, push up. Finger runter. 𝐸𝐲, breathe in and breathe out. 𝐸𝐲. 𝐸𝐲. And we go to our posture. Okay, I check posture now for everybody, okay? Check posture. Das spürst du, ne? Ja. Ja. Jetzt ist fast weg. Ja. Passt.